Hello, Profiteers, and a very warm welcome to all of you. So, today on 10th December, you can see I just thought I'll have a fact check of open interest data for today and compare it with yesterday because yesterday the markets were at an all time high. And we are continuously in a rising uptrend since last 9 trading days. In fact, since last 6 weeks, it's a rising uptrend, and 9 days से तो one way movement था. So there is, as we have constantly told all our people who are following our channel, कि if you want to see the trend, there was some kind of profit booking which we were expecting, and today I think in the first part of the trading you saw certain sectors were registering that profit booking. However, having said that, I think very clearly the sector of the day today was FMCG, because Nestle moved up by more than 4%. ITC considered in that pack. There is a re-rating of that stock going around. We are very sure that it's going to be a re-rating candidate. The FMCG value of ITC is still getting unlocked. So ITC moved up today to 213 rupees. Remember just couple of days back मैंने आपको बताया था कि ITC ने बहुत ही बड़ा मल्टी टर्म ब्रेकआउट दिया है. आई एम वेरी बुलिश फॉर अ रीज़न बिकॉज ये थोड़ा स्पेशल कैंडिडेट है. It's unlocking its value in different sectors, and hence we are very bullish. On your screen right now, what you can see is the open interest data at the end of day today markets closing. अगर आप OI data, OI addition देखें on the long side, I wanted to draw your attention again to ITC very quickly because as you can see, इंडेक्स ऑप्शंस में ऑफकोर्स निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी में आपको ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे, दे हैव बीन एडेड. बट इफ़ यू लुक एट द फर्स्ट स्टॉक फ्यूचर्स में OI एडिशन जिसमें आज हुआ है 9.6%. ऑन द लास्ट कॉलम ऑफ योर स्क्रीन यू कैन सी चेंज इन OI. 9.6% का ओपन इंटरेस्ट एडिशन हुआ है आज के दिन, when the benchmark Nifty has given a slight correction, and we have seen quite a lot of stocks went into correction mode in the first half. Second half में आपको रिकवरी दिखा, लेकिन उसमें भी a stock like ITC which is kind of a slow mover, उसमें we are very sure there are big players who are slowly building a position in this company now, because I'm very sure we are somewhere close to a re-rating of the stock by these big agencies and the bigger financial analyst companies. सो वॉच आउट फॉर OI एडिशंस. आज के OI एडिशन में अगर आप स्टॉक फ्यूचर्स देखें, ITC हैज़ गेन 9%. उसके नीचे टाटा स्टील है जिसमें OI एडिशन हुआ है 8.22%. देन ब्रिटानिया यू कैन सी अगेन 13% OI. सो FMCG एज अ सेक्टर looks to be कि it's gaining back traction. HUL today was also one of the gainers by the way. HUL ने भी आज काफ़ी गेन किया था. एंड कैनरा बैंक में हमने काफ़ी सिग्निफिकेंट OI एडिशन देखा है टुडे एज अ ट्रेंड. ऑल्सो वी सॉ इन कोटक बैंक. सो टुडे इफ़ आई हैव टू लुक एट द टॉप गेनर्स, दे वर नेस्ले, HUL, ITC एंड ब्रिटानिया टू एन एक्सटेंड. काफ़ी हद तक गेनर्स FMCG सेक्टर से. सो प्रॉब्ली द सेक्टर ऑफ द डे टुडे यू कैन से वॉज FMCG, बट ITC being a part of the benchmark Nifty lend its support to Nifty, and it kind of it was a rock solid candidate. In fact, it moved up today. Very rarely you will see this kind of fast movement in ITC overall. So the strategy forward is, if you're building a long term position, it's always a good time to accumulate. अपना जो SIP है वो चालू रखिए, continue with your SIPs and buy on dips. That is what the market is doing. That is what has been a long standing strategy, and I think that is a winning strategy for your future wealth creation. Thank you so much for being supportive of our channel. Do comment your views on today's video, and also as always keep profiting.